Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this very interesting problem of GFG, largest subtree sum in a tree. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here we are given with a binary tree and the task is to find the subtree with maximum sum in that tree and return its sum. Like suppose this is our tree and then we have to find out a tree which has the maximum sum, like this is some tree, suppose it will contain negative positive value. Okay guys, don't go on the structure, just look at the figure that I want to say. Suppose this subtree has some 1, this has some 9, this has some minus 5, this has some 13. Okay, 13, so this is minus 4. Okay, this is 0 where these are values, 0 minus 4 are values. Okay, 9 is the total sum, 9 is the sum, this circle value is the sum, this circle value is the sum of particular subtree. Now 5 will represent, if we consider this whole tree, then we will got some minus 5. 1 will represent if we take this node, because a single node, a leaf node is also a subtree with a single node, then we will got sum is equal to 1. 13 means if we take this subtree only, we will got sum is equal to 13. If we take only this node minus 4, we cannot take this particular node because these have some children, so we have to take complete subtree. Okay guys, suppose we are given with a node like its value 100, its value minus 50, here is some node, and here is minus 60. Then the sum of this minus 60, sum of this minus 50, sum of complete is minus 10. So we have to take a complete node, complete tree. Okay, we cannot take this and return some 100 because there are some nodes, there is some part left in its subtree. We have to return the sum of complete subtree. Okay guys, so how we will move forward? So here we can see this subtree has the maximum sum of 13. We will not take on this particular subtree because this has sum is equal to 9, this has some 13, so we will take 13. So guys, how can we do it? So what we can do, from a particular node we can go to the root, from a root we can go to the leaf, then from leaf we will return, if there is null, like here is null, we will return 0. There is no node means 0, no positive, no minus, just 0, we will return it. So the total sum of this particular subtree is the sum of value of its node, sum of its left, sum of its right. Like there is some subtree of this, there is some subtree of this. If we are talking about the sum of this whole subtree, okay, maybe this is part of some another node. Okay, here is tree. If this particular subtree we are talking about the sum, then its sum will be equal to, suppose its value v, its sum is sum of left, sum of this whole tree, sum of this whole tree, sum of right. So the total sum of current node, total sum of current node will be is equal to its value sorry, plus sum of its left subtree, plus sum of its right subtree. Okay, so this is the value of current node, sum of its left subtree, sum of its right subtree, and after that we can take a variable answer that is will we can pass through reference, so that it will gonna update it with each iteration. So we will take maximum of answer, means already some put in it yet, and as current node means each maximum sum we can get is answer will be the maximum sum we still have or maximum sum we can get now. Okay, like for each subtree we will gonna consider for maximum in answer, and from here we will just return s of cn, means sum of current node, because it is sum of left for this particular node. Okay, so this is how we gonna to do it. So guys, very simple approach. We will take a variable answer, call this max r comma answer, r is the root and answer is the variable that we're gonna pass through reference, and at last we just need to return answer because it will store the maximum sum. So here in maximum node and some value. Now if there is root is equal to null, there is not r, means r is equal to null, then we will just return 0, else by cur sum is r dot data, means current value sum, max sum of r left, means sum of its left subtree, sum of its right subtree, and we will update my answer to answer maximum comma answer comma current sum, means current sum we have some cur sum, So we will gonna check with answer. If this is maximum, we will put out this in my answer. And at last, I will just return current sum, means this is the current sum of my current subtree. So this is the approach. Very simple. I don't think this will be a hard problem. This is marked hard. I don't know why. Wrong answer. Why? Just a minute. Okay, so this code gives me correct answer yesterday. I don't know. Just a minute. Minus this. Okay, so just initialize it with minus 29, because the maximum minimum value and the minimum value we can have, suppose there is tree with n is equal to 10 ki power 9 nodes, suppose, and each node have value, minimum value is equal to minus 1000, minus 10 raised to the power 3. So the minimum value we can get is sum of all nodes, that is minus 1e8. So I am initializing my value is 1 2e9. Okay, so that it will gives me correct output. Just check for this case. GFG also update test case, just very good thing, because I have catch many times that my incorrect code submitted. Okay, just we gonna update because my answer can be less than zero as well. Okay, less than zero as well. So like here, I what is doing here? Suppose I have current. This is why my code got fell. This is subtree given to me, and I am assuming my answer is equal to zero. But here you can see any subtree I will take, and if I will take this, I will go to minus 2, I will go to minus 3, I will go to minus 6. So I will always go less than 0. So I have to initialize answer to that particular minimum value, so that it will go update it at least one, because these all value will always greater than minus 2e9. Okay, because the minimum value at subtree can go to is minus 1e8. Okay guys, so that's why. So you can see all the 224 test cases pass out. I hope you will understand the problem. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned. Sorry, I just submitted. Bye.